Mizoram Merchant Association Mima YouTube channel kan lo lo macheu ama sa in kan channel thir tu te subscribe like le comment min pek sak cheu turin kan yan cheu sum don na lam le thubeng war thak ngai nom tak tak te po lo ti chwa zel tum ani
Donald Trump to US President candidate atan hanfel anita a khovel ramro pui bera an candidate mi pui ma anin be na sat zialan tirna chen khat khovel boy pui chu ilo thlir te ang July ni som pathum sang ni som ne pali inrin nit lai da ruk pel nu loka Pennsylvania Butler Donald Trump tha tu masilai ka ani chu khovel akhat ani ber mai Donald Trump adam khochwa ki pathian hum himna ani e helam chu kan shetam to a soi thui lo meila Tun kum November ninga sang ni som ne pali US President thanna lo tura US Presidential Candidate Tour Donald Trump chu ni som panga thasari sang ni som ne pali khan Republican Party chuan Republican National Convention RNC Milwaukee huna thanfel anita a Vice President Candidate tan JD Vance Ohio Senator Junior chu thangal ani bok khovel ramro puile hausa kan ngai san te hi an candidate te inbeihna hi hmuhnawn anin beina theile Donald Trump the US President ni lai presidential candidate Democrat Party nan thanfel tak Joe Biden chu Donald Trump an abeina ni zathak tak ilo thlir te ang uluk de win lo thlir ola lo hlim te u
I mean, the guy can't find his way off of a stage. Look, here's a stage. Here's a stage. I've never seen this stupid stage before. Right? I've never seen it. But if I walk left, there's a stair. And if I walk right, there's a stair. And this guy gets up. Where am I? Excuse me, Chris. Wait.
Number two.
Chris.
Number three.
They said it would take. No, you're a number two.
And more asylum officers.
President Trump?
I really don't know what he said at the end of that sentence. I don't think he knows what he said either.
The only person on this stage is a convicted felon is the man I'm looking at right now.
But when he talks about a convicted felon, his son is a convicted felon.
What are you talking about? You have the morals of an alley cat. My son was not a loser, was not a sucker. You're the sucker. You're the loser.
He's blaming inflation, and he's right. It's been very bad. He caused the inflation.
Excuse me, with dealing with everything we have to do with, look, if we finally beat Medicare.
Thank you, President Biden. President Trump?
Well, I took 2 tests, cognitive tests. I aced him. Go through the first 5 questions. He couldn't do it.
This guy's 3 years younger and a lot less competent. I think that just look at the record. Look at what I've done.
Let's do another debate this week so that Sleepy Joe Biden can prove to everyone all over the world that he has what it takes to be president. But this time it will be man to man, no moderators, no holes barred. Just name the place, anytime, anywhere. I'm also officially challenging Cricket Joe to an 18-hole golf match right here. On Doral Blue Monster, considered one of the greatest tournament golf courses anywhere in the world, one of the great courses of the world. It will be among the most watched sporting events in history, maybe bigger than the Ryder Cup or even the Masters.
kan channel min thlir sak tu te zong zong chunga lom tho kan soye